They fit just about anywhere, and they come in a number of exciting family or couple floor plan options and offer some similar luxuries as higher end fifth wheels, but without the size and price tag. We've got a versatile list of small fifth wheels from manufacturers who are dominating this segment. So let's take a look and find out what these small fivers have to offer. First up, the Keystone Cougar Sport 2100 RK. Now, the Keystone Cougar Sport line pretty much reimagined what's possible for small fifth wheels, offering a number of versatile floor plans ranging from couples campers to family bunkhouses that are all lightweight, well-built, and very easy to tow. The 2100 RK falls into the couples category and is one of the shortest fifth wheels you'll find at just over 26 feet, and the gross vehicle weight 8,500 pounds. This rear kitchen floor plan includes a single slide out that really opens up that living space. You got a mid bathroom and a second floor queen bedroom up front. Under 30 feet, it fits in almost every standard campsite too, so that's pretty sweet. Now, you might call it minimalist, but this camper has just about everything you need. So what do you say we go inside and check it out? So this rear kitchen includes a long, seamless press countertop that runs across the rear of the camper for tons of prep space. Now, you even get a stainless steel undermounted sink, high-rise faucet with sprayer, and up top, you got overhead cabinets with residential hardware. Now, while the refrigerator is only 10 cubic feet, that should offer plenty of capacity for 2 or 3 people. The combined kitchen, dining, and living area of the 2100 RK, they work well together without any part feeling unnatural or out of place. The high ceilings and windows on 3 sides really make it feel open and spacious. And while the TV is a bit high, it actually works well with that theater seating in the slide out. And best of all, you get a lot of storage right here in the dinette, next to the TV, and in that tall slide that runs along the wall. The bathroom of the 2100 RK includes a small pressed countertop with a sink, brushed nickel towel rack, as well as shower hardware, a herringbone design on the spacious shower with really nice headroom, a porcelain bowl with a foot flush, 3 drawers for your toiletries. While sure, this is a smaller bathroom compared to some other full-size fifth wheels, but the 2100 RK really isn't bad. Again, Keystone has done a nice job of hitting what's necessary while maintaining a pretty natural flow. Now, the bedroom is in the front cap of this fifth wheel. Still, I gotta tell you, the headroom, it's not that bad. And this queen bed includes some storage underneath with supporting arms, so you don't have to hold it up. You've got well-designed side tables, storage above with matching half wardrobe cabinets on either side of the bed, which, not too bad again. Plus, you've got a spot to add an optional second AC if you don't already have one in the ceiling, and an extra large dresser and closet combo across from the bed that has pretty good storage here as well. All around, the 2100 RK's interior does the trick without any major issues, as long as you're not trying to fit like a family of 5 inside of here. Now, let's go check out what you have on the outside. For towing, you've got the Road Armor shock absorbing hitch pin, aluminum wheels with a full-size spare tire, 10-ply E-rated tires, and heavy-duty axles. Now, the exterior also provides some exceptional pass-through storage with more than enough space for those couples. You also have a fully enclosed underbelly on this beauty as well. And to boot, add a backup camera prep, Lippert solid step on the entry, and frameless tinted glass windows all the way around. When it comes to pricing, the Cougar 2100 RK is one of the most affordable fifth wheels for couples looking to enter the fifth wheel market. Keystone has managed to pack essential features and functionality into this compact fifth wheel, making it a great choice for those seeking comfort without the luxury price tag. And I gotta tell you, it's one of my favorites. Pretty cool, right? The 2100 RK will do well by any couple looking for a small fifth wheel, but the list is just getting started. Let's go check out the second one. Welcome to the ever-popular Jayco Eagle HT 29 RLC. Now, this is the largest small fifth wheel on our list and the only one that features dual slide-outs, which give us this really open rear living area featuring windows, tons of natural light, room for only the kitchen island on our list as well, and a more traditional rear living floor plan that's great for campers who occasionally want to sleep additional guests. So let's go in and check it out. Can you believe that this cutie is only 34 feet 1 inches? Gross vehicle weight on this one's 10,000 pounds. Pretty dang sweet. Now, with this being the largest small fifth wheel on our list, the opposing slides open up the living and kitchen area, giving us this awesome island, really making this one stand out for the couples. which, by the way, the 29 RLC is a couple's fifth wheel. Sure, I got this hide-to-bed sofa here so I could sleep a couple guests, but grandparents, grandkids could stay there, but at the end of the day, this is a couple's coach. Entertainment center over here with the fireplace and sound bar, frosted glass in your pantry, as well as stainless steel 50/50 sink, butcher block buffet heading towards the bedroom and bathroom, and a freestanding dinette with some comfortable recliners. This could be your weekend getaway in a heartbeat. Now, the bathroom of the 29 RLC, very nice. Glass enclosed shower with a decorative applique, plus you got the oversized shower head, high-rise porcelain bowl, and butcher block for your undermounted sink, not to mention a huge medicine cabinet. But my favorite feature, the storage here is also accessible from the bedroom, which we should go check out right now. Now, the bedroom of the 29 RLC features a 66 by 80 Olympic bed. The only thing I'm not crazy about in here is that low cubby space. Sure, it's great for storage, but I'm gonna get my head or my arm stuck in there while I'm sleeping. But the butcher block continues through here. You got either prep or a second AC, spot for a TV, fantastic ward space thanks to this multi-purpose here, as well as the chest of drawers, not to mention space under the bed and mirrored wards on both sides of the bed, which you could check your hair while enjoying the natural light and cross breeze from these giant windows. Lastly, on the outside of the 29 RLC, we get all the coveted exterior features that Jayco is known for, namely the full finished unobstructed pass-through storage with rubber flooring, climate shield, which is heated and enclosed underbelly, ceiling and floor insulation, as well as radiant barriers, rear camera prep, roof ladder, J-port with LP and hot and cold water quick connect, and this also comes with the WineGuard Air 360 antenna and router prep, now with 5G. For the couple that's looking for a shorter but still spacious fifth wheel, the Jayco 29 RLC offers you the perfect middle ground. The 29 RLC also strikes a perfect balance between size and affordability, especially for those who want the spaciousness of that sweet dual slide-out rear living area without moving into a larger, more expensive unit. It's an affordable choice for couples who occasionally want to entertain guests, offering more space and comfort without dramatically increasing the weight or the price. The second Cougar Sport on our list is the bunkhouse version. Capable of sleeping up to 10 people somewhat comfortably. I'll explain my hesitation here in a minute. This is the Keystone Cougar Sport 2700BH. It's another single slide-out fifth wheel that runs about 6 feet longer than the 2100 RK, if you recall that rear kitchen floor plan. Just imagine adding an east to west bunk room behind the rear kitchen, and you've got a similar setup on this 2700BH. So what do you say we start there in the back with that triple bunk setup, and let me show you what I'm talking about. So access that rear bunk room with a sliding pocket door that allows for some easy access and some welcome privacy, especially when you want to put the kids to bed. Inside, you've got double over bunks where you could feasibly sleep 6 kids. The best part, the third bunk on the bottom has an exterior cargo door access, so you can easily use that space for extra storage instead if you need it. And next to the bunks, you got yourself a tall cabinet with wardrobe storage. I also like that rear window at the middle bunk and the side window for the top bunk, which provide a little more natural light in this area. Now, as I said, once you leave the bunk area, you're right in the kitchen. So it's a bit similar to the 2100 RK. With this rear-facing stainless steel sink and the 12-volt refrigerator in the slide-out, the kitchen in the 2700BH continues along the camp side with tons of pressed surface countertop space, and I'm a big fan of having 2 windows on the camp side. You got good cabinet storage, residential hardware, and then a TV mounted above, facing the booth dinette and your lounge chairs. Let's go back to that slide out area where we have this U-shaped dinette in the slide out, which probably suits kids a little bit better than trying to fit several adults in here. You got storage underneath, and with the theater seating to the left, this actually makes a nice communal hangout area that's just as good for conversation as it is for catching the game. Now, this is the bathroom area of the 2700BH, but I want you to put in your mind's eye trying to get 10 people in here. So, thankfully, you do have a tankless water heater, so that will help with making sure everybody has a hot shower. Just watch the propane. But even though it's a good flow, it's small, porcelain bowl with the foot flush, undermounted sink, large medicine cabinet, as well as a spacious shower. But storing the linens in here for 10 people, might want to find a different space. Now the bedroom of the 2700BH, very similar to the 2100RK, queen bed up front, great wardrobe space, frosted glass in your storage, prepped for a second AC, plus you have the wardrobe across from the bed with deep drawers and a shoe spot underneath, and a good spot for those towels I was talking about in the bathroom. Might be right here under the bed. Now the outside of the Keystone Cougar Sport 2700BH, very similar to that 2100RK. You got the tinted frameless windows, you got the double axle with the anti-lock brakes, enclosed underbelly, road armor fifth wheel hitch, solid steps, but probably my favorite is that cabinet's pass-through storage. The space there, pretty awesome, especially when you're talking about having 10 people. For a short bunkhouse, the 2700BH is going to be tough to beat, but I still got more fifth wheels on the list, so let's go check out number 3 right now. Now for the last Keystone Cougar on the list, we're looking at the Cougar Sport 2400RE. This is a smaller fifth wheel that's ideal for couples or maybe even smaller families who want to enjoy the amenities of a fifth wheel without the size and weight of a larger rig. At 28 feet, it's easy to tow and maneuver, making it a great choice for weekend warriors or those who want to frequent things like national parks, maybe have limited space, or grandma's house. Now the rear portion of the 2400RE is a very unique layout, with it being a rear entertaining style fifth wheel, but it's spacious, has a good flow, and features some pretty nice things like a hidden pantry behind your entertainment center, as well as a load door, so if you do bring those cases of water in, you don't have to worry about lugging them up the stairs. TV, fireplace, sound bar, and a multifunctional table in the back doubles as a dinette or workspace. The kitchen and dining area of the 2400RE, pretty unique as well, because you get a true L-shaped kitchen with an undermounted sink with stainless steel faucet, plus booth dinette, even a little prep area with a bench seat, mudroom space, hangers, and storage up top. All in all, this area here, extremely unique for this segment. Now, if you remember the 2100RK and the 2700BH in the Cougar Sport line, the 2400RE bathroom and bedroom, exactly the same. Got the porcelain bowl with the foot flush, undermounted sink with storage, shower surround with herringbone pattern, and in the bedroom, queen size bed, either second AC or prep for second AC, as well as storage on both sides, storage underneath, and a wardrobe. Very similar to the outsides of the 2700BH Cougar Sport as well as the 2100RK, the 2400RE features those tinted frameless windows, anti-lock brakes on those double axles, solid step over steps, great storage, as well as the road armor fifth wheel hitch. And I gotta tell you, for couples or smaller families looking to venture into the world of fifth wheels, the Cougar 2400RE offers a perfect balance of comfort and convenience without the size and price tag of a larger model, not to mention the fact that it's a unique layout. But I got one more for you, so let's go check it out now. Last on our list, we got the Jayco Eagle HT 29DDB. This is a family-friendly fifth wheel that offers more sleeping options than many others in this category. This model is designed with a functional layout that's going to maximize both sleeping capacity and storage space, all within a reasonable footprint of, get this, under 35 feet. Much like the Cougar Sport 2700BH, the main feature of the 29DDB is going to be this rear bunk room. You got double over double bunks here in the rear corner. And I like this because they're going east to west. Got storage up top, windows, plush and comfortable bunks. So 4 kids, 2 adults. However, these bunks are big, not to mention it's Jayco, so the weights will be doubled. You're looking at 600-pound capacities on both. Plus you got mirrored ward as well as drawer storage, even a nice little help up step to get whoever's going to get on the top bunk an easier way up there. And if you close off the door, now all of a sudden you have a rear kitchen, rear entertaining model. The 29DDB features an L-shaped kitchen with tons of countertop space, oversized oven, which is very nice at 21 inches, and a U-shaped dinette across from that. Now, since they did curve the edges on that butcher block style table, you might be able to get 4 adults in there. But for me, this is better for sleeping too, just saying. You got your 10.7 cubic foot fridge along the side of your U-shaped dinette in the slide. And then for some conversation or just entertaining, you got plush high back recliners and a TV on a swivel. This space, chef's kiss. Now the bedroom and bathroom of the 29 DDB, exactly the same as the 29 RLC. All the way down to the butcher block vanity, the oversized medicine cabinet, that gorgeous shower, Olympic-sized bed, second AC or AC prep, as well as butcher block nightstands. You got the mirrored wardrobes, even that multi-purpose pass-through storage / ward, which, by the way, could you hand me a shower beer? On the exterior, the Eagle HT29 DDB includes Jayco's Climate Shield package for extended season camping. Plus you get a fully enclosed and heated underbelly, power stabilizer jacks, and pass-through storage with slam latch baggage doors. There's also an outdoor kitchen complete with a mini fridge and cooktop, making it easy to enjoy those meals outside. If you're looking for a fifth wheel that can accommodate a larger family while keeping the length manageable, the 29 DDB should definitely be on your short list. So now that we've seen a couple of options from Keystone and Jayco for the couples and the family, none of which cross that 35-foot threshold in length, and all of which come at a surprisingly friendly price tag, proving you don't have to break the bank to find a fifth wheel that you love, or at least I hope that's what we proved. So I hope you enjoyed this little walkthrough through affordable, smaller fifth wheels for couples and families. If you're excited about any of these, they're going to be at your local Camping World or at rv.campingworld.com. Please leave me some comments down below and let me know which one did you like, what'd you think, or more importantly, what would you like to see in the future? And while you're at it, also please click like, subscribe, and notify. I'm Chris Young for Camping World. I'll see you soon.